Morning everyone, welcome to my weekend vlog. So I actually meant to start off this vlog yesterday, but I actually, well, once we finished work, we went for dinner and then we came home and chilled a bit. I actually have two PR packages to show y'all. I'll show you when we get back in the afternoon. We went for dinner to this really cute restaurant. I will insert a few clips here and there. And then in the night, Ivan and I went and fetched my other two friends, and we actually went to Gerbang Malam just to walk around. And after that, we went and got a bite to eat. So I did take some clips from yesterday. I will insert it all here. Okay, so now the plan for today is we need to take Titan grooming. He needs a bath. So we're gonna take him for grooming and then we're gonna have breakfast. So okay, so now we actually need to go and find Titan's leash, which I have no idea where it is. Sit down. Sit. Sit down. Sit. Come. We're just quickly going to take him to pee before we head off. Oops. So it's what time is it now? 7:30. We're actually getting ready to go to Connect Group. It's Friday. So excited! I'm taking the Elianto hydrogel. So I just had my bath. I'm gonna I'm gonna sort of leave my hair like this because my hair dryer is actually broken. I've ordered a new one, but it's not coming yet. So just simple, you know. Sometimes you just need to be simple. Like most of the time, this is how I am. So, you know, guys, it's been a really long day. I'm tired because it was actually quite hot today, and
I want in my life, even though I always struggle, I want there to be a remission of the struggle. And I think that is so significant. That's one of the things that in the last words of Christ is supposed to give us hope that we are actually making progress on the journey. And then he says, you are witnesses of these things.
So it's now 9:15 and it's been a rather relaxing day. So after lunch we just came back, did a bit of housework here and there, and we had a nap, and I only woke up at about 7:30. Went out, just bought my dinner and just came home. Ivan has actually left to go to his friend's place for Deepavali dinner, something like that. So I'm actually home alone for tonight, and he will come back a bit later, but I thought I'm just gonna put on a movie and have my dinner. Usually on the nights that he's not here, I actually like to have my dinner in the room while watching some movie on the computer. And I also thought of doing like a mask because my skin needs some tender loving care. Mask, and I also want to do my nails. Like I have this press-on nails that I'm so excited to try, so we'll do that. I'm just gonna put on a movie and have dinner first. So I've actually watched a bunch of this already. This is one of my favorites. Leap Year is amazing. Wedding Date I actually watched just the other day. This is one of my ultimate favorites. And yep, I'm just trying to look for something. Oh, this is actually my mom's favorite movie. Like both my mom and I's. What I actually got. This is a pore refining one. It says self-heating formula, so I'm so excited to see how it is. And I actually picked out this nails. So let's get into our self-pamper routine. It's got this very liquidy consistency. It says self-heating. It feels a bit warm. So it says massage in small circles. I like the smell of it though. It smells like I can't pinpoint exactly, but it smells nice. It smells relaxing. Okay, after a minute they say wash it off. Hey, honestly, my skin feels so amazing. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. Guys, so I actually also did my nails. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It was a bit square around the edges, so I just trimmed it off. I like how dainty it looks. So I've actually gotten into bed already. Okay guys, so I'm actually just gonna off the lights and get into bed and finish my movie. I will see you guys in the morning. Bye! What's up, guys? So we just finished church. We got back home, changed, and we're gonna go and get some groceries. So if you watch my other vlogs, you know usually on Sundays or over the weekend we actually do our grocery shopping. So let's go. Lunch. Yeah. So this is what the house looks like. I need to do a lot of cleaning. So you will see it clean in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! All clean. And we also got the Christmas tree up. The whole Christmas tree will be in a separate video by itself. All clean. It literally took us the whole day. I'm so excited for this. I'm in such a good place. Like, oh my god, I love it. I need to make dinner, and then I'm quickly gonna go up and show you all the Guardian PR boxes that came. Just a quick one before I end the vlog, so stay tuned. Okay, so that's the box that it came in with. We have 2 Dr. Morita masks, 3 Swiss Pearl, micellar cleansing wipes, April Skin. This is a magic starter. This is a eye primer, if I'm not mistaken, foundation, a bunch of skincare from Medicube, press-on nails, like you guys know I love them, and a bunch of Nivea masks. This was the one that I actually used yesterday. Yeah, I'm gonna try that one as well. So just a huge thanks to Guardian, like it means the world. Like thank you so much. Okay guys, so hope you enjoyed this weekend's vlog. It was definitely one of my more busier weekends. Usually I just stay at home and get some stuff done, but like I've mentioned in my past videos, there is some changes happening in my life, and that's what we have been preparing for. So that's why things have been a bit crazy, but I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.